Hey guys, 4th and 5th graders, the whole entire math class is together on this video today. Whoa, okay, fun, right? Okay, we're doing the holiday math packet, okay? And yes, you do need to listen to this video, okay? Because some of the stuff that you need help with and you just guessing on it is just gonna be crazy and not help us at all. Okay, so follow with me and go to the page that I am on. The first page I'm gonna be on is number 2. Okay, all this stuff you can do, but there's some stuff I have to aclarar. I have to clarify for you guys. Look at number 2 on page 2, right here. What does it say? It says, Olivia had 384 Christmas lights. So as soon as I see that, this is number 2, I'm gonna put 384. So whatever I do, you need to do with me, okay? I'm gonna move this a little bit closer. There we go. Okay. 384 Christmas lights on a total of 12 strands. Strands are the lines of lights, okay? So she had 384 in total, 12 strands. If there were an equal number of lights on each strand, how many lights were on each strand? So she had 12 strands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 strands. How many lights are on each one of these? If the total is 384, what do you think you have to do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Scarlett? You're gonna divide. Good job, you're gonna divide 384 into those 12 strands of lights. Am I gonna do it with you? No way, because you guys all know how to divide now by double digits. So go ahead and try that. But right on number 2, right there on number 2, write a little division symbol so you remember to divide. Okay? Let's keep going. Number 3. Remember, write the division symbol on number 2, because if I look at the first page of your homework and you're sending me a picture and you multiplied and added instead of divide, I'm gonna know you didn't watch the video, or I'm gonna know you didn't pay attention. So write divide so you can divide. Here we go. Number 3. Anna made 243 pieces of fudge. 243 pieces of fudge. What is this number rounded to the nearest 100? You need to rondear. You know how to do that. I'm just here to remind you that you know how to do that. Look right here, I'm gonna remind you of something. That's all I'm gonna say about how to divide, how to round to the 100 place. So go ahead and do that by yourself. Okay. Okay, look at number 5. Number 5. All I want you to do is tell me how long the candy cane is. There should be a ½ inch at the end of it. How long is the candy cane? Go ahead and write that one down right now. Look at the ruler. How long is that candy cane? Keanu, how long is the candy cane? Okay, good. Let's keep it a secret. I'm not going to tell anybody your answer. Okay, you guys do your answer by yourself on number 3. Okay, look at page number 1. It says 1 at the bottom. 1 at the bottom. Look at number 1 on number 1. Look at number 1 on number 1. It says there were 52 kids in a line. Number 1, there were 52 kids in a line to get into the holiday dance. If 8 kids could go in at a time, the last group to enter will only have how many kids? Okay, so there's 52 kids waiting in the line to go to the holiday dance. Solo 8 pueden entrar cada vez, okay? Entonces, después que 8 entran en grupos de 8, el último grupo no va a tener 8, el último grupo va a tener las personas que sobran, básicamente. Okay, pero ¿cuántas personas hay en el último grupo? Anybody know what to do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. What do you think, Mario? You divide. I'm going to show you why, because that remainder, the remanente, is going to be your last group. I'm going to do this one with you. Here we go, Fernanda. You're going to help me, chica. 8 goes into 52 how many times? 6 times. Hey, if I don't call your name in this math video, forgive me, okay? You guys aren't here to see, okay? I think about you all the time. Don't worry, I'm not forgetting about you. But in the video, when it goes fast, I don't call everybody's name. Okay, so it goes in as 6 times. Dueno, 6 times 8 is what? 48. Good, good, good. Jayla, here we go. 52 minus 48 is what? 4. So look, you're going to have 6 groups of 8, and then you have 4 kids left over. And that 4 is your answer. The 4 is your answer. Look, I did that one for you. So if you don't do it with me, you're crazy because you're going to do stuff on your own that you don't need to do. Okay, here we go. Look at number 3 on that page with the little elf guy. 3. Look what it says. 38 elves are in the workshop. Each elf makes 27 toys. 38 elves in the workshop. Each one makes 27 toys. How many toys do they make in all? I know, and you know, that we know, when you see the word in all, it usually means add. That's why I'm here to tell you that this time it does not mean add. Holly, what do you think you do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? Cada elf makes 27 toys. Add, subtract, multiply, or divide to find the total number of toys. You multiply, you guys, because cada means multiply. Okay, so here we go. I'm not gonna do it for you, just write it down. Number 3, you need to multiply. And then pick the answer that's there. Number 4, look at number 4, you need to multiply all those. I know what it says, what are the 2 different ways to solve the problem? Don't worry about that, just multiply them. Which means you do need to write it like this, 31 times 14. Whatever answer you get here, you need to multiply that answer by 23. Okay? That's what you do for that one. And look at number 5. Number 5, you cannot do those in your head. So you need to write them on the back of the piece of paper or write them on the side. So you need to write them like this. Okay, you can't be doing those in your head and then be like, okay, Jessica, I got the right answer. You did not. You don't know. Okay? So there you go. I can't do those in my head, so you can't do those in your head. Number 4. Look at page number 4. Page number 4. On number 1, you're just going to tell me the length. You're not going to do the instructions that they say right there. Just tell me the length of the candy cane. Number 2. Look at number 2. Let's do this one together. Because there's 2 different steps in this one. Number 2. Dave has 458 holiday cookies. That's a whole lot of cookies, you guys. 458 holiday cookies. Andrew gave him 12 more. What do you do with that? Abigail, what do you do with that? He has 458, Andrew gave him 12 more. Add, very good, buddy. So we're gonna add it. Do it in your head really quick, Frankie. What's that added up together? 470, excellent, thank you. Okay, so yeah, Andrew now, or Dave. Dave has 470 cookies. Dave gives each of the 10 families in his neighborhood a plate of with an equal number of cookies. 10 families. Ethan. If Dave wants to know how many cookies each family is going to receive, what do you think? These are supposed to be houses, you guys. What do you think you do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide? You divide. You divide 470 into these. Oscar, tell me 470 divided by 10 really, really quickly. 470 divided by 10 is what? 47. Excellent job. So your answer to that one is 47. Good, good, good. Okay? Danielito, this next one's for you, man. Let's see what we're doing. Well, number 4, you guys, only the 5th grade math do those. Number 4. Okay? Only the 5th grade math do those, and only the 5th grade math does number 5. Okay? Number 4 and number 5. Let me show you how to do it for 5th grade. You need to reduce this right here. You need to reduce this right here and then decide which one is bigger. Okay? You need to reduce that one right there and then decide which one is bigger. You can draw circles and color it if you need to figure out how your fraction is bigger. And then in this one right here, they want you to find what is this fraction in the middle. They want you to put the answer here, but they also want you to reduce it, and they want you to make an equivalent fraction with it. If you don't know how to remember, if you don't remember how to do that, text me and I'll help you with it, okay? But they want to know that fraction right there. Okay, next page. Look at the page that says number 3. The page that says number 3. Look at number 1. The kids at the holiday party were divided into 8 groups of 65. There were 41 kids left over that were not in a group. Mira, look at this. You have 65 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 65, 65, 65, 65. Because that's what it says. There's 8 groups of 65. And then 41 kids not in a group. What do you think you do, Danielito, to see how many kids were at this party? That's a lot of kids. What do you think you do? 2 things you do. You first add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Multiply. Good job, buddy. You're going to multiply 65 times 8, right? 65 times 8. And then at the end, what are you going to do with this 41, Holly? What are you going to do with this 41? Add it. Okay, whatever answer you're here, right here, you're going to add it to 41. Okay, I'm not going to tell you the answer. I'm just going to tell you how to do it. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, look at number 2. Cross it out. We're not doing that one. Okay? Cross it out. We are not doing that one. If you want to try it, it's just not something I've taught you before. So that's not very justo. Okay, but if you want to try it, you can. Look at number 4. Look at number 4. I'm going to tell you what to do. It's not the instructions. It's only half the instructions. Make this square, color this square 4/8. Color the square 4/8. That means you have to divide it into pieces. How many pieces are you going to divide it into? Andres, if you need to color 4/8 of this square, how many pieces do you need to divide the square into? 8. Good, because that's your denominator. And then you need to color how many? Safir? How many do you color if it's 4/8? 4. Okay, good. Okay, that's what you do there. Then on this one right here, all you need to do is show me where 1/8 is. Where is 1/8? 1/8 on the number line. Okay, on the number line. Okay, number 5 we're going to do together. Okay, look at page 10. Here down, page 10. Page 10. Number 5 we're going to do together. Okay? It says, the section of the string of lights shown is 8 inches long. How many feet long is this section? Okay, it's 8 inches long. I'm gonna tell you we're gonna do this one like a fraction. It's not like a conversion in this one because it's weird, okay? If it's 8 inches long, 8 is gonna be your numerator. What's your denominator for the fraction of lights? This is of feet. Well, Kiara, tell me, how many inches are in a foot? 12. There you go, that's your answer. 8/12. There's 8 inches in the foot, 8 inches in the thing, 12 inches in a foot. They want to know how many feet it is, so it's 8/12. Okay? Obviously, 5th graders, we can reduce that fraction, but we're not going to because this is a different type of math right now. We're working with the 4th graders who haven't done the reducing as much yet. Okay? Everything else you can do on that page, and now we're on our last page already. Bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. Look at this one, page 7 it says. Look at number 3. You just need to write the fraction. Careful, look at it. The shaded portion of the model represents the portion of the Christmas pie the Kellys ate. How much was not eaten? You need to give me the fraction of how much was not eaten, okay? Fernanda, what's going to be your denominator on that one? Good job. I'm not going to tell anybody your answer, okay? Just remember that the denominator is the one of how many sections there are, right? And then the numerator is gonna be how much did they not eat? Salma, do you know how much they did not eat? I'm not gonna tell anybody. You just have to write your answer down. Okay, look at number 5. The last one, and it's a conversion. What in the world? Okay, cool. We're gonna do this one together. Here we go. Marcy has 2 quarts of eggnog. Laura has 1 gallon of eggnog. How many pints of eggnog do the 2 girls have in all? Ooh, what? Do you see what they just did right there? Look what they said. In all this time does mean add. Marcy has 2 quarts. Plus, Laura has 1 gallon. But they want to know how many pints. How many pints? Oh no, mio mio. This one's gonna be a crazy one, because watch right here. Let's do this one. Okay, that means that we have to change both of these. Are you guys seeing that? We have to change both of these into pints. So let's use this one first. 2 quarts. What do we put on the bottom, Kiana? Quarts. What do we put on the top, Scarlett? Pints. Okay. So, how many pints are in a quart, Frankie? 2. Good. So what do you do? Multiply or divide, Abiel? Multiply. What's 2 times 2? 4. So this one's 4 pints. Okay? Then look over here though. This one's a cute one. 1 gallon. Uh-oh. We want to make it pints. What do you put on the bottom, Jayla? Gallon. What do you put on the top, Ethan? Pints. How many pints are in a gallon, Safir? We don't know. Uh-oh. We don't know. So look what we have to do, guys. We have to change this into quarts first. Change it into quarts first and then change it into pints. Ay, ay, ay. Because how many quarts are in a gallon? Danielle? 4. Okay, so how many? There we go. Do we multiply or divide, Danielito? We multiply, so it's 4 quarts. Now we need to change the 4 quarts into pints. What are you going to put on the bottom here, Dueno? Quarts. What are you going to put on the top? Keanu? Pints. How many pints are in a quart? Kiara? 2. Okay, what do we do? Multiply or divide? Abiel? Multiply. It's going to be 8. 4 plus 8 is what, Oscar? Go ahead and write that down as your answer. I'm not going to tell you what it is because if you weren't paying attention, I'm not going to let you know. Guys, that's your math for the rest of the week. Merry Christmas. Enjoy your break. Okay? Get a lot of rest. Thank you for being here and paying attention. Have a great day.